Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 April 18th, which is Thursday in the Malaysia time 8:40. So these are the stocks will be covered by today. Let's starting with the disclaimers. All the stocks mentioned in this video is serving as learning purposes, should not be treated as a buying or selling call to the viewer or subscriber. So let's starting with the overnight US market. So overnight US market, Nasdaq dropped more than 1%, S&P dropped 0.5%, Dow Jones dropped 0.1%, which is widely expected for the Nasdaq, which I mentioned on the past 2 days, which is Tuesday morning market briefing live. So I did mention that Nasdaq is going to be coming down, because it seems to be lagging comparing to the Dow Jones index. So it's dropping due to the Nvidia share slides, and S&P closed lower as Nvidia leads tech stumbles. So it's nothing much right there. So we go to the chartings. So Nvidia, yep, this is the Nvidia Corporation's chartings. It seems to be the chart. Nvidia is now at the support level for the wide sideways ranging right over there. If there's any go lowers, let's say it's closing below 840 for the next few days, I believe the stocks will be coming down far more lower for pulling backs, corrections right over there, because it has been rising quite a lot, more than 100%. Okay, so let's go for the Nasdaq stock. So this one is widely expected. I did mention on the past 2 trading days in the morning live. So for about on these candles, so I'm expecting the trend changing for the US market, and it come lower. So will it comes lower after this? I would say pretty much high chance it will go slower for the Nasdaq and S&P maybe. So I will go for the the next support for this index will be somewhere around 15,400 plus. Maybe we'll take the figure 15,500, somewhere around there. The immediate support is right over there. So the trend has been reversed from the uptrend to sideways bias to the downtrending. How about the S&P? Yeah, pretty much obvious as well. Same to the Nasdaq. Dow Jones is far more obvious. So the support range has been drawing right over there. There's a box right over there. So the immediate support will be within this ranging, which is 37,000 to 37,100 to 37,800 range. Okay, so make sure you take some profit out if you are holding for some tech stock in the US market. For the health, I'm not sure it's healthy or not, but at the current stage, the trending for the US market has been changed. So let's have a look on the local KLCI. So KLCI it does rebounding by 5 points. Maybe when we can draw some short-term trend line around there. Short-term trend line, it did bounce off for this trending. See whether there's any chance for it to breaking higher around there, but the resistance will be still capping at 1560 level. Okay, and now we are going for the stock pick by the research houses. First one will be by M-Bank Unitrade. Unitrade Industry overnight closing 32 cents. Stop loss level given will be 29 cents. It's around 10% level stop loss, and the target given will be 35 and 37 cents. This one is IPO stocks. The meanings that they are expecting for the breaking for the new high over there after the recent pulling back. So the recent high will be 3.2 so they are expecting to breaking higher for the IPO stocks, unit trade industry. The next topic would be by CGS security firm, which is MNG. Marine and General Berhad. So overnight closing is 2.5. For this stock is still on the healthy uptrending at this moment, still on the healthy uptrending. So overnight closing 2.5, stop loss level 25 cents. Target given would be 305, 32 and 34 over there. So meaning that they are going to testing the resistance over there. Okay. So the next stock will be SCG Berhad, Southern Cable Groups. So you can see this one is also somehow a strong uptrending stocks for the past or nearly 1 year. So you can see this one, the shape pretty much like a U shape over there. So it's now going to testing the resistance level around 860 cents. Overnight closing 5.7, stop loss level given is 52 cents. Target is 60 cents and 66 cents. Yep. So trending upside. The next research house will be Maybank Investment Bank, which is both of them are hot growth stocks. First one will be Hatar Lega. Hatar Lega, you can see the major side trending is sideways and uptrending bias. Maybe we can draw some uptrend line right over there, so we can have a look, have a clear trending here. Okay, so far the trending is moving upside seen last year's, and now is overnight closing 267. Stop loss level given will be 248. So followed by the target is 291 and 3.2 is right over there. So 291 would be a strong resistance level right over there. 291 to 3 ringgit range right over there. So so far so good for this one. I believe they are calling for this one is based on the swing play. So they are pulling back right over there for 4 to 5 days. Then there's a rebounding for yesterday. So they are playing for this one for the swing. So the next topic will be Kosan. Kosan rubber industry, glove counter as well. If I zoom out, it's still same because all major glove counter is also the same trending. Major sideways trending is going to testing for resistance. So you can see the trending pretty much similar. You can draw some line here to have a trending for the past 1 to 2 years times. So the trending is still on the uptrend bias at this moment. So it's testing for the resistance. Overnight closing is 210. Stop loss level given is 195. Target is 230 and 255, somewhere around here. So pretty much similar trending for the glove industry. So the last research house cover is by UOB, EP0936. So you can see this one is the EP0936. It's on the major up sideways trending. So if you are talking about for the past 4-5 months, the trending is going downward. At this moment, there's no reversal trending yet so far. So they are calling for this one is technical buy on breakout 104. So meaning that once the share price breaking this level 105, maybe you can buy in with a stop loss level 9.4 and followed by the target 115123 level. So pretty much standard of support resistance. So meaning that they are calling for this buy, they are expecting for the bounce off for this short-term downtrending and bounce off for the support over here. Next stock will be Global Tech. So this one is also, they are calling for the technical buy breakout of 5-4 half. Overnight closing is 5-3. They are expecting for the breakout higher for the sideways consolidation right here. Meaning that if the share price move higher to 5-4 half, you can buy in for the breakout at 55 cent level with a stop loss level 49 half. Target is 61 half, 64 half. Okay. So I believe these two stock pretty much similar pattern and Comnilex and also Glowtech, the trending pretty much similar. So this is the stock picking trading pattern by the chartist for the UOB. The last will be in nature. So this one is obviously on the downtrending. You can see it's major on the downtrending, but the volume is coming in recently. Back in February, they do have bad news in the overseas, right? Then it come up sideways rangings, and 4 trading days ago, there was last Friday. It should be last Friday. Yes, there was a volume spiking up right over there, which is how many percent? 11 million share traded. So the next few days is drying up with the volume. It could be a short-term trading. Yep, it could be a short-term trading for this one, but seems to be the stop loss level seems to be too large, which is at 2.6 half level. If you are playing for this short-term trading, I would say suggesting to move it higher for the stop loss level, and you can kill lower, maybe 3.5 half level, and the stop loss level you can adjust it 28 cent will be pretty much acceptable to me now, I would say, because you are short-term playing for this one, and the target given will be 3.8 half and 41 cent. So I believe the short-term trading target will be 3.7 half will be acceptable. Okay, I believe that's pretty much covered by today's stocks. Maybe we can go through some stocks in the US market, technology stocks, and we go through the Apples. Yep. So you can check these Apple stocks. Apple stock is now on the major support. Major support, I would say, is around 168, which is overnight closing 168. If it go lower than this level, I would say the trending for the Apple will be going lower and lower. So going lower and lower meaning that it may going another maybe around $30 lower from this level, maybe 140 range, 140, 145 level maybe, or it's right over there. So the next stock pick is Tesla on the always downtrending right way. You can check Tesla if you drawing the trend line. It's pretty much they follow the trend line one. Okay, you can draw some trend line here and there. So they are very disciplined to follow the trend line. So this one is obviously on the downtrending at this moment. Netflix on the strong uptrending right now. Strong uptrending. We can draw some line here. So you may monitoring for this trend line, see whether you break lower or not. Amazon is on the uptrending as well. Yep, it's very strong uptrending right now. We can adjust it here. Maybe you can check on Meta. Meta is on the sideways ranging over there for 1 month plus, 1 to 2 months. See whether you can stand above 480 or not. for ATM. Once you break this level, meaning that the top is right over here, short-term top is right over here, it will go pretty much lower, maybe around another $40 right over there, lower, maybe 440. Not sure whether we will close the gap right over there or not. Okay, so I believe that's pretty much cover for US market. So we can see the crude oil is dropping as well. It's dropping fierce for the overnight, 0.3%, closing at $82 right now. We can draw some uptrend line here. Okay, gold still on the uptrendings. Copper uptrending. Soybean is lowering. So I believe this has been pretty much covered for US market and local market. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.